I'm wearing a disguise. Do you recognize me?
No.
Here, I'll give you a hint.
Yes, yeah.
Now can you guess who I am?
No.
It's me!
Sagwa.
Hi there, face here. Wanna get hi?
No.
And Blue just moved into the hood.
Welcome to the hood.
Wanna meet my new friend? She's a puppy named...
Sagwa.
Hi!
Sagwa.
Hi there, Face here. I'm a clown.
Now I'm a mouse. Ready for takeoff. Now I'm a piece of...
Doink.
Hello. I'm a piece of...
What?
Me, 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 me.
Welcome back to...
It's me, Face.
And I love to... you. How about you? No.